Hello and welcome. Okay, today we are going to discuss about art. Okay, presented by me, Monjit Kumar Gogoi, MSc ECT, Guwahati University. Let's begin. Okay, so what is art? Okay, we are discussing more about art. Art of Bikhoy. So number 1, importance of the chapter. Chapter 2, importance key. Number 2, relevant subtopic associated with art. Relevant subtopic discussion kora hobo associated with art. Then next discussion koim important question. Ask previous year at defined competitive exam or importance areas to focus. Okay. So next. Okay. So let's discuss importance of the chapter. Importance, chapter to importance key. So number 1, it is the basics for many relevant topic. Okay, it is the basic building block for many relevant topic. Then next, many question had been asked at various exams. Okay, বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ competition examত বহুত question সোধা হয় আৰু প্ৰায় এটা দুটা question art বা related topic kita থাকিবই. So then next, relevant subtopic related to art. Okay, number 1, solar system. Number 2, art and its atmosphere. Then number 3, interior of the earth. Then next, distribution of ocean and continent. Yate most important, art and its atmosphere question basically hode, and then next hode interior of the earth question basically hode. So ozone layer hok apuna aeroplane kuntu layer jay, then all will be discussed in earth and its atmosphere. Hebu question pray hodi thake aru etu relevant topic hoy earth and its atmosphere. Okay, then next discuss solar system. Okay, solar system ki hoy? So solar system already class 6 ot hokole pohi aise. Let's revise it. Okay, know more about it. So আমি জানো sun plus 8 planet. Okay, প্ৰথমতে 9টা planet asile, now 8 planets and their satellite and thousands of other heavenly bodies such as asteroid materials form our solar system. Okay, planets kun planets ase? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, next. So member of the solar system. Okay, let's discuss member of the solar system janu ahok. To number 1 already janu ami the sun. Okay, sun prothom member bili kole jaute prothom sun kotha ahibo. Okay, sun already janu ami. So we are ketaman details sailu jikita ki question competition exam karone important. So number 1, it composed of 71% hydrogen, 26.5% helium and then 2.5% other elements. Okay, here yate 71% hydrogen. So therefore we can say that sun is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. Okay, then next, sun produce energy through nuclear fusion. Okay, of hydrogen. So yate nuclear fusion hoy, jitu fission noy, fusionot energy produce hoy aru fusion দুটা প্ৰকাৰৰ nuclear reaction আছে, এটা হল fusion আৰু এটা হল fission, FISSION. তো fusionot জোৰা লাগে আৰু fissionot ভাং খায়. Okay, এইটো পাছত chemistry chapter next কেতিয়াবা discussion কৰা হ'ব. Then next, outer layer made up of thin hot gas called corona. Okay, so corona only solar eclipse time he dekha poa jay. Light takes almost 8.5 seconds to reach earth. Then next, energy from the sun is the cause for life. পৃথিৱীত জীৱন সম্ভৱ মাত্ৰ সূৰ্যৰ কাৰণে আৰু সূৰ্য ৰশ্মি বা সূৰ্য শক্তিৰ কাৰণে. Okay, next, the planet. Okay, planetor বিষয় discussion কৰিলে জানিব লাগিব what are the planets. Already we know Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, so sequence of the planets sequence of the planet খুব কুৱেশ্যন সোধে এক্সামত তো সিকুৱেন্স কিটা মনত ৰখাটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট সিকুৱেন্স অফ প্লেনেট একৰ্ডিং টু দেয়াৰ ডিষ্টেন্স ফ্ৰম দ্য ছান সিকুৱেন্স হ'ব একেবাৰে সূৰ্যৰ কাষতে লাগি আছে মাৰ্কিউৰি দেন নেক্সট ভেনাছ দেন নেক্সট আৰ্থ দেন নেক্সট মাৰ্চ আছে তাৰপিছত জুপিটাৰ সেটাৰ্ন ইউৰেনাছ এণ্ড নেপচুন আগতে প্লুটো আছিলে প্লুটো ইজ নো লংগাৰ এন planet okay so sequence of the planet according to their size okay ডাঙৰ কোন হও কোন হেতু খুব ফুডে কোৱেশ্চন একেবাৰে ডাঙৰ হল জুপিটাৰ দেন নেক্সট হ'ব সেটাৰ্ন ইউৰেনাছ নেপচুন আৰ্থ ভেনাছ মাৰ্চ okay ভেনাছ ইজ গ্ৰেটাৰ দেন মাৰ্চ এটো কনফিউজ কৰিব এটো জানি থোৱাটো দৰকাৰ দেন নেক্সট মাৰ্কিউৰি okay মাৰ্কিউৰি আটাইতকৈ সৰু okay দেন নেক্সট ডিসকাশন কৰোঁ the planets okay planet discussion কৰি আছো তো next planet কিটা চাও mercury okay first planet চাও mercury বিষয়ে discussion কৰিম তো mercury আমি জানো যে it's nearest okay nearest to the sun okay nearest to the sun then no water and gas like carbon dioxide nitrogen hydrogen and oxygen are found in mercury so therefore no ozone okay ozone নাই ozone O3 যেহেতু গেছে না ওজন কোপা থাকিব ওকে সো দেন নেক্সট ভেনাছ ওকে ভেনাছৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাশন কৰো ওকে ভেনাছ ইজ নন এজ মৰ্নিং অৰ ইভিনিং ষ্টাৰ ওকে হুইচ ইজ কল মৰ্নিং অৰ ইভিনিং ষ্টাৰ ভেনাছ ওকে ইভিনিঙৰ পৰা মৰ্নিঙলৈকে দেখা পোৱা যায় ভেনাছ ওকে দেন নেক্সট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফিচাৰ অফ দ্য ভেনাছ হটেষ্ট প্লেনেট অফ আৱাৰ সোলাৰ চিষ্টেম আটাইতকৈ গৰম প্লেনেট হয় ভেনাছ okay then next Venus is known as earth twin বুলি কোৱা হয় কাৰণ ইয়াৰ mass and size are almost equal and same to earth okay then next earth okay earth the diameter of the earth important 67.8 okay tilted around 23.5 degree on its own axis okay then next revolution time to rotation time to important it is taking 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis then it takes 65 days 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the sun so revolve around the sun is main cause for winter autumn summer etc okay earth's only satellite moon okay then next about moon okay moonor বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম only satellite of earth okay already discussed study of moon known as selenology okay etu খুব question competition exam or today to study of the moon known as selenology okay it takes 27 days 7 hours 43 minutes for rotate on its axis and approximately same to revolve around the sun okay which not sun revolve around the earth okay not sun okay to নিজৰ own axis ত ঘূৰিবলৈ ইয়াক টাইম লাগে 23 days 7 hours and 43 minutes আৰু আৰ্থক ৰিভলভ কৰিবলৈ টাইম লাগে সেম 27 days 7 hours 43 minutes but in আৰ্থৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত it is take 23 hours rotation on its axis ত 23 hours 54 minutes 4 seconds আৰু revolve around the sun লাগিছিলে 365 days okay so then next Liberty mountain highest mountain on the earth okay কিছুমান question frame হয় এটো then next gravitational pull of moon 1/6 of the earth মানে 1/6 of the earth যদি earthত এটা বস্তু weight 6 kg হয় then moonত হ'ব it is 1 kg okay 1/6 okay then distance between earth and moon important কারণ distance between the earth and moon চাই পিনি moonত যিকোনো যদি প্রোগ্রাম থাকে ধৰি লওক স্যাটেলাইট প্রোগ্রামে হোক যিকোনো mission hawk moonole to distance between the earth and moon matter. Okay, so ketia earth and moonot ketia mission pothia hoy jetia moon to prithibi ekdom usort thake. So therefore naam kita hol distance between earth and moon. Number 1 apogee, then number 2 perigee. Apogee hol ki moon is at the farthest from the earth, atatke dur thake moon, and perigee closest distance between earth and moon. Okay, closest distance. To tetia hole perigee time ot bibhinno dhoroner mission bu hoy. Then next, okay, oh sorry, moon current affairs duta moonor because discussion korte current affairs duta man sai lo. Recent development ki hoise about moon. So number 1 Chandrayaan 2 sent by mission by NASA pothiasile kedin man agote launch on 22 July 2019 by vehicle to important vehicle to hode GSLV MK3 launching vehicle. Okay, pothiasile. Then next cause of failure karon to hol malfunction of lander Vikram. Okay, orbiter thike kaam koisile kintu lander fail hosile. Then next the planet discussion koi thoka ase. Then ami discussion koi Mars. Okay, Mars ok ami ki boli jano red planet ka ronga nisina dekhi. Okay, its two satellite Phobos Deimos. Okay, Phobos and Deimos news ot ase question bana bahut chance ase. Then recent development sao Mongoljan pothiasile bharotor Mars orbiter mission hoy etu by ISRO India. Okay, so Mongoljan prothom barote Mars orbitot probesh kora first country in the world. Okay, successful in first attempt. Okay, prothom barote successful hoise India. So ISRO bahote bhal paisile ba successful congratulation disile. Okay, then Mongoljan 2 it proposed mission hoy future mission by NASA expected by 2022. So etu news ot ase karon COVID-19 karone mission to piece poi jabo boli koisile kintu all minister government of India falor pora clarification dia hoise je NASA ba Mongoljan 2 hok ba jikunu space program kono dhona delay nohoy. Okay, then next Jupiter. So Jupiter already jano have the highest number of satellite. It is important. Which planet has the highest number of planet? I hope then we will call Jupiter. Okay, in our solar system. Okay, so Jupiter kuntu atatke dangor Jupiter's Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system. Okay, solar system atatke dangor satellite. Okay, largest satellite kun hobo Ganymede, and it is also the largest satellite of Jupiter's. Okay, for other planets very less fact or please cover by yourself. Next jekita planet ase ekita khub kom hankhok question exam ot oha lokhoni hoise to ekita nije cover koi lobo lage books pa. Then next jodi time hoy moi discussion koi. Okay, thank you.